Hello. There you go. Hi, Alabang! Palakpakan naman kayo! Na-enjoy nyo ba ang inyong opening acts, ha? Diba? Palakpakan nyo naman ulit si Mua Dayaw, Regina Gorge, and Distraction, diba? Grabe! Diba? Ito ang safe space para mag-death drop. Diba? Okay, so palakpakan nyo ulit ang inyong opening act. So maraming salamat for joining us here. Palakpak kayo kung kayo ay bading. Medyo outnumbered ata tayo tonight, no? Palakpak kung mukha lang kayong bading. Ayan, mas madami. At palakpak naman kung medyo lagkit na kayo ngayon. All sisters in sweating. Okay, but yes, welcome to the biggest drag pride celebration in the Philippines. Out loud and proud Drag Pride Fiesta. Everybody say Drag Pride Fiesta.
Drag Pride Fiesta.
Okay, sino na dito ang excited makita ang mga pinakamagaling na drag performers in the country? Woo! At sino naman dito ang ready ng maulol para sa ating mga international queens? There you go. Keep that energy because we have an amazing lineup of sickening and explosive drag performances coming your way. But it is Pride Month, guys. So everybody say Happy Pride!
Happy Pride!
Happy Pride! And let's get a good vibe going na rin siguro. So group dynamics muna tayo. Look to the person to your left. Look at the person to your left. Sabihin nyo, hi.
Hi.
Ang ganda-ganda mo. Yeah. Then look naman to the person to your right. Sabihin mo, hi. Mas maganda ako sa'yo. There you go. That is the true spirit of pride. A little shade, of course, is always appreciated. But, of course, yun nga, more than the iconic performances waiting for us tonight, we are here to celebrate pride, what it means to be queer, and just really the art form of drag. Sino dito kino-consider na religion na nila ang drag at this point? Ayan, yeah. Maraming salamat. And then of course, a heartfelt thank you to Beyond Limits Event Productions for making this extraordinary event possible. Palakpakan natin ng Beyond Limits for just gathering all of us here para sa isang pasabog na kabaklaan, along with, of course, our incredible sponsors who have played a very pivotal role in bringing this amazing event to life. So, simulan na natin. Are we ready to see some more drag?
Yeah!
Parang kailangan nyo pang lakasan. Are you ready to see some more drag?
Yeah!
Okay, simulan na natin to sa isang contestant from Drag Race Philippines Season 2. Okay, she is about to give us a deluxe experience. Alam niyo naman ang kanyang very famous Booge verse. Diba? Nagayanig ka ba? So magpapayanig na tayo sa kanyang talent. Please welcome from Drag Race Philippines Season 2, the one and only Tiny Deluxe.
May pailaw dun, no?
Bobby too. Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? More than a landslide, no escape from reality. Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see. I'm just a poor boy, I need no sympathy. I'm easy come, easy go, little high, little low. Anywhere the wind blows doesn't really matter. Thank you po. Happy Pride! Hello!
Palakpakan niyo naman si Tiny Deluxe, guys! Tiny! Grabe naman, pasabog naman tayo agad-agad.
Pakuha naman po nito.
Okay, maraming salamat na rin for showing us your politics via the color.
Of course.
Okay. Diba? So, Tiny, ano ang pakiramdam? Ano ang pakiramdam?
I'm very overwhelmed. I'm really happy to be here. Kahit sobrang layo dito sa amin. Pero grabe, thank you so much everyone for coming, for celebrating, and for protesting with us.
Yes.
And kasi more than a celebration, Pride is a protest.
Correct.
And kahit nag-celebrate tayo lahat ngayon, we are celebrating the art of drag, ang kabaklaan. Wala pa rin po tayong equal rights.
Correct.
So yes, tuloy po ang laban. Tama.
So, I guess, Tiny, patikim naman kami ng verse mo sa Vogue. Gusto niya bang marinig yung kanya na naghanganig ka ba?
Yeah.
Ano, game?
Okay. Medyo triggering kasi. Charot. Okay. Sabayan niyo naman ako, please. 1, 2, 3, go! May yayanig ka ba? Dalayan ang bigat ng kanan na aking dala. I'm tiny, but I'm extra large. Oh baby, I'm running this world.
Parang kaya niya pa ng higher, no?
Okay na ako ba?
So, I guess ang gusto rin namin malaman, you are from the very famous House of Deluxe, right? So, ikaw ba ang nakakaalam kung ano ang gravity inside the popcorn?
Actually, it's still a mystery for everyone.
The sorrowful mystery.
Kahit po sa akin, mystery pa rin siya actually.
Okay.
And yeah, sinasolve pa rin po siya sa NASA. Yes.
Nasaan ang
Nasaan
sagot?
ang sagot?
Correct, no? Where can the children find you? Any other shows happening this Pride Month?
Yes, full pack po tayo this Pride Month. You can catch me, actually, follow nyo muna ako sa aking social medias. That's Tiny Deluxe, verified yan, madaling hanapin.
Ganon.
And, so, i-invite ko po kayo sa this coming June 22, Love Laban sa QC Pride. Ayan, I'll be performing with my co-TV queens.
Wow.
Yes, from Drag Race Philippines Season 1 and 2 and from Drag Den Philippines Season 1 and 2. Ayan.
I love it.
Yes.
Correct. Parang nagko-collide na ang mga cinematic universe.
Diba?
No?
Yes.
Ganon ang nangyayari.
May crossover na.
Okay. So dahil hindi pa kita pwedeng pakawalan, so marami pa akong gustong itanong sa'yo.
Oo naman, let's go.
Ang una ko sigurong
Airtime is airtime.
Oo. Lumaki ka ba sa farm?
Parang ikaw po yung tatanungin ko niya.
Yeah.
Pag nag-wig po kayo, mas kamukha niyo po.
No, pero actually, itong si Tiny, na-witness ko yung very fast growth ng kanyang drag career. As in, isipin mo, when you got into Drag Race, you were only doing drag for how long again?
Less than 2 years.
Wow.
And hindi pa ako regular performer, no?
Correct.
Yes.
Pero 'di ba, nakuha. So palakpakan niya naman si Tiny. That's such a feat for an artist. So I guess I'm sure there are people here in the audience who are very much considering getting into the art of drag. Ano ang words of encouragement mo para sa kanila?
Wag. Sorry. Hindi, seryoso. Wag niyo siyang gawin kung hindi kayo passionate about it. And if you don't love it really. Kasi, alam niyo yun, you'll end up just not doing it anymore. Kapag pagod na kayo, hindi niyo na siya gagawin. Kasi hindi talaga siya madali. Sobrang hirap po. Pero it's very fulfilling. It's very freeing. And ang ganda ko kasi talaga pag nakadrag.
Correct. Ang ganda-ganda ni Tiny, di ba? Diyos ko, tingnan niyo naman ang face, the mug, mama. Correct.
You can never clock. Opo, ayan o. Close up nyo pa.
Close up niyo pa. Pakita niyo pa. Correct. Okay.
Zoom yung ano po.
Siguro ang isa ko pang tanong, pag ikaw ba ay tinawagan sa All Stars, sino ang gusto mong makalaban? diretsuhin na natin doon. Wag nang yes or no kasi yes naman ang sagot eh.
Venus Deluxe.
Ow!
Yes! Parang masaya yun. Yes, di ba? Ang mother-daughter tandem ba? O rivalry?
Ooh.
Sa isang season. Abangan niyo yan if ever. Sana po mangyari, Lord. Opo.
Correct. Oh my God, parang gusto kong makita yun.
Diba?
My God. The domestication of the Deluxe family.
Yes.
Ganun ang mangyayari. Checking lang with our team if we are ready to move on. Kasi pwede pa ako magtanong kay Tiny ng what is the meaning of love. Diba?
Love is a rosary. Wow!
Full of mystery.
Wala maisip!
Ano pa ba? Any audience questions? Isigaw nyo lang kung meron kayong gustong itanong.
Kung wala, wag ipilit.
Kung
Ako na lang magtatanong sa sarili ko.
Ah,
Tiny, single ka ba? Oo, single ako.
Ay!
Tiny, ready to mingle ka ba? Opo, ready to mingle ako.
So bigyan mo ka ng 3 adjectives to describe the kind of partner or maybe situationship that you are looking for.
Ano po? Malaki ang pangunawa.
Okay, number
Kasi
1.
busy person.
Correct, okay. Ano ba?
Mahaba.
Gusto ko yung... gusto ko busy din siya. Di ba maganda? Pareho kayong busy para hindi kayo naghahanapan.
Correct. Para pag nakita kayo may gigil, di ba?
Oo, no.
Paano yung gigil?
Nakakamiss manggigil.
And last, ano ang hanap mo sa...
Ang hanap ko yung next performer.
Tama yan. Oo, okay. So, may nakita akong van. I am not sure kung sino yan, pero abangan natin siya. Hindi, joke lang.
Sino ba yung next performer? Ay! Thank you po. Okay na. Okay, tapos na po. Abangan niyo ang aking mga sisters.
Ako, yung mga sisters. So, we're just trying to...
Abangan niyo sa kanto kasi tagal eh. Huy!
Okay, so yeah, that's the silence. I think this is new. I-embrace natin ang silence. No?
Yes.
Wait, nagme-meditate kami. Wait lang.
Ay, sorry.
Okay, that's it. Thank you so much, Tiny Deluxe.
Thank you so much, everyone!
Okay, panapalamig natin si Tiny Deluxe. Okay, so I know we're gonna edge you a bit because we're just trying to tighten everything to make sure tuloy-tuloy ang ating mga pasabog. So we are going to take a quick break and then we will be back for more performances. Thank you, guys.